Okay, take a little planet, about half the size of Earth, wandering through the solar system. During its travel, it gets too close to a large planet and is caught by its gravity. Initially, the effects of this capture are minor, but over time, the larger planet's gravity starts to bend and warp the smaller planet. This causes the creation of large highland and lowland areas to develop, shown by red and blue respectively. As the little planet passes into the shadow of the larger planet, the surface and the atmosphere have become a turbulent mess. But this is just the beginning. You see, it is going to come so close that the Lagrangian point, the point of zero net gravity between the two planets, is going to enter the surface of the little planet. That's bad. This will rip the atmosphere off the planet and carve a giant crater into its surface. Thousands of asteroids are now hovering in the no man's land between the two planets. And now, the poor little planet is flung away from the embrace of the giant. When this happens, those asteroids aren't going to hover anymore. No, some of these asteroids are sucked into the larger planet, and some will become part of an asteroid belt. Heck, a couple will orbit indefinitely, but most of them will return to impact with their former home. Now, these impactors are not just the iron and stone meteors we usually think of, but they will also be made out of air and water. These ones will cause flow patterns to form on the surface as the high velocity liquid and air rushes from the highlands to the lowlands. Meanwhile, all of this activity is going to cause the creation of massive locators on the surface. Eventually, the gas returning to the planet envelops the entire surface, returning a small fraction of its former atmosphere. This little planet is now recognizable as Mars, and leaves Jupiter's realm to become the fourth planet of the Sun.